Most men will never tell you this truth. Not because they want to lie, but because they were never taught how to speak about it. From a young age, men learn one rule. Be strong, don't complain. Handle it yourself. So they grow up carrying pain in silence. Most men are tired. Not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. They carry responsibility every day. They worry about money. They worry about family. They worry about failure. They worry about the future. But they don't talk about it. They smile in front of others. They laugh with friends. They say, I'm okay, even when they are not. Inside, they are fighting battles no one sees. Men are expected to provide, protect and perform, even when they feel lost, broken or afraid. They are told to be leaders, but rarely asked how they are coping. When a man fails, society tells him to man up. When he feels pain, he is told to be strong. When he breaks, no one notices, because he breaks quietly. Most men cry alone, in their room, in the shower. Late at night when no one is watching. Some men don't cry at all, they just go numb. And sometimes when their guard is down, when they drink, when the pressure finally slips, the truth comes out. Tears, silence, heavy words. Not because they are weak, but because they have been strong for too long. This is the truth most men will never tell you. Being strong all the time is exhausting. Men don't want pity. They don't want attention. They just want understanding. They want to know that it's okay to struggle, that it's okay to feel lost sometimes, that asking for help does not make them weak. A boy becomes a man not by hiding pain, but by learning how to carry it without losing himself. Real strength is not about never falling. It's about getting up, again and again, even when no one is cheering. So if you see a man who looks calm, don't assume his life is easy. Behind that calm face may be years of sacrifice, failure, and silent pain. Respect men who keep going. Respect men who stay disciplined. Respect men who carry the weight and still show up. Because most men will never tell you this truth, but their silence tells the whole story. And if you are a man listening to this, you are not weak for feeling tired. You are not weak for feeling pain. You are human. Keep going. Stay disciplined. Stay grounded. Your strength is real. Even if no one sees it,